something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn. This is Life with Jocelyn Christina. I'm so excited to be back with you guys with again another awesome video. So on today's video, I am so happy to say that I have finally received my cloud couch dupe, I'm calling it. It's actually a modular sectional, so I'm so excited to share that with you all. It's called a modular sectional, and I bought it from my local furniture store here in Maryland. It's called Value City Furniture, and I am just absolutely in love with this sectional. So I had to wait 3 months to receive it, and it just took so long. But I'm just so glad we have it. It's here. So let me go ahead and get started, turn this camera around and show you what the sectional looks like, what I think about it so far. Today is Sunday, and I always try to do my videos in as close to real time as possible. So I just received this sectional yesterday from the furniture store. They delivered it to my house and set everything up for me. Before I turn the camera on and show you the sectional, I do want to just let you guys know at the end of this video, I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So let me go ahead and turn the camera around so I can show you the sectional, show you what it looks like, and let's talk a little bit about it. All right, so this is my new sectional. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. I'm just like so happy to share this with you all. So like I said, this came yesterday from a local furniture store in my area. The name of the furniture store is called Value City Furniture. This is called the Plush Ivory sectional. It is a 5-piece sectional, so it has 5 pieces here, as you can see. So that's 1, 2, 3 here in the middle, 4, and 5 here on the end. And I did purchase a 5-year warranty or protection plan with it, mostly because of the price of the sectional. You know, I want to make sure that it is protected and that also, you know, the sectional will last at least definitely for the next 5 years. So that is the goal. And it's just absolutely beautiful. It's also a performance fabric material, so it's definitely good quality, and I'm just really excited about it. Now there is a difference in what's inside of the cushions. So you do have 2 options when you purchase this sectional from Value City. There is an option where you can purchase it where it's filled with feathers, or you can purchase it where it's filled with like a more firm foam material. And so I actually chose the firm foam material because the feathers were nice, but like I noticed, like when I sat on the sectionals, when I went to the store and sat on the sectionals that had the feathers in them, I noticed that, you know, they didn't really kind of bounce back, and the cushion didn't really like bounce back. So I didn't really want the sectionals with the feathers inside, because like I said, when you sit on it, it kind of just like immediately goes flat under your bottom, and it didn't really like bounce back. It didn't really plump back up. And so, you know, that kind of made it, you know, more, I felt like that might not last, or it might not be really good as far as durability over the next 5 years. I chose the firm foam, definitely more firm on the seat cushions there, but it is still a comfortable sectional, I have to say. The pillows are also very comfortable all the way around. And so for this 5-piece sectional, it does come with these pillows here that are all the way around. All of the pillows are removable, so these can easily be removed from the sofa all the way around. And these can also be removed from the pillows as well. There are zippers on all of these pillows. I wanted to just try to show you. So on the bottom of them, there's zippers here on all of the pillows. So this is really nice. I do have to read the care and instructions. Let me check on the care and instructions, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did read the instructions for care on this sectional. It's recommended that the material itself, the pillows and the cushions, be spot clean only, just a spot clean with a damp cloth, or dry clean. And then it came with these nice 3 big plush accent pillows, which is really nice. And we have sat on this already. So I noticed, like, when I sit on it, for example, it does, go right in. And let's say I sit on it, and I'm just putting my hand here as an example. So let's say I sit down on the couch and then I release. There, it does leave, an imprint here. But what I do notice is, over time, after you give it some time, it will actually just come back to form, which is really nice. So I don't really have to necessarily, from what I've seen just so far in 1 day of use, I don't have to necessarily do too much fluffing and, propping the pillow and the cushions back up again. They do seem to just come back to form themselves, which is really good. And that's what I was looking for in a couch or a sectional. So yeah, so absolutely beautiful. And it has a beautiful material. Let me see if I can get in close so you can see here. Just a nice, beautiful, this is like, I believe, a polyester material. I'm gonna check on that and let you know. But you can see it has just a nice, beautiful ivory color. And it does have some, speckles there where it looks a little bit shiny, if you can see. And also just like nice, it's a nice neutral tone sectional, but it's just very large. I love the deep seating, so pretty deep. It goes all the way back there, so when I sit on it, I can really sit all the way back on the couch, which is really, really nice. And yeah, I just absolutely love it. And I'm looking forward to decorating this space now that I have this beautiful sectional. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm really excited. And then, the other thing is, I wanted a sectional that had arms were like square shaped. I prefer those square shaped arms instead of the round ones. And then, I don't know if you can tell, you can see the feet on the bottom of the sectional here. So they have these dark chocolate brown colored feet all the way around here on the sectional. So really nice, absolutely beautiful. I just love it. And then also underneath the sofa, I'm not going to move the sofa, but underneath there's like hooks there. So like, let's say more pieces, you want to buy more pieces to make it more than a 5-piece sectional, you can. So that's also an option, using the hooks that are attached underneath the sofa. So yeah, so very nice. And I will begin to decorate this space, adding some pictures. And right now I am online looking and shopping for a coffee table and also some accent chairs. I'm trying to back up so you can see the whole space. So I am looking for, shopping around for some accent chairs and a coffee table and a rug and, all that good stuff. So, as I begin to purchase those items for the space, I will definitely continue to check in with you and let you know how that turns out. But yeah, so this is my amazing new sectional. I'm so excited. It's just so pretty. Absolutely love it. So yeah, so let me go ahead and turn the camera around and let's catch up. All right, so that was my new sectional back behind me, and I'm just so excited to have shared that with you all. If you have any questions about my new sectional, please leave those down in the comments below. That way I can answer them. If you would like for me to share the link to the website of the furniture store locally here in Maryland, if you're interested in this same type of sectional for your living space, just let me know and I will make sure to link it below. But yeah, so I'm just so excited to decorate this space and start looking for some accent pieces for this living space and sharing that with you all. But yeah, so let's go ahead and move on to the other exciting part of this video, which is, drum roll, dun, 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 dun. which is the giveaway. So I'm so excited to share this giveaway with you all. I am entirely grateful for all of you guys watching my videos, participating on my channel, commenting, feeling comfortable enough to just join in and chat with me. It means so much to me. So I thought it would be a great idea to do a giveaway, and I will be doing more giveaways on my channel. Please stay tuned and continue to watch and listen out for more giveaways on this channel. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I have entered everybody's name in this bowl here that has commented on the last video, as well as I did see some, sparing comments on other videos for other people who requested to be entered into the giveaway. So I'm just gonna go through and read the names here that I have, and then I'm gonna put them right back in this bowl. And then I'm gonna shake up this bowl and pick a lucky winner. I'm so excited to do this. I hope you all are like super excited as well. So I have Tashima here is going in the bowl, as you guys can hopefully see. I have Marinette, Marinet, is going into the bowl. I have Connie is going into the bowl. Black Barbie is going into the bowl, into this drawing. Debbie is going into the drawing. Miss Mountaineer is going into the drawing. Darlene, thank you all so much for commenting and joining and chiming in on my videos. Jackie is going into the drawing. Joan is going into the drawing. Maney, Maine, is going into the drawing. Michael is going into the drawing, and Gaynell is going into the drawing for the $200 gift card giveaway. So if I mispronounced anybody's name, I apologize. So, excuse me if I've mispronounced anybody's name. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I have everybody's name here in this bowl. I'm just gonna mix this up, and I am going to mix. Just mix it all up. One fell out. Mix it all up here. All right, I am going to just turn my head sideways. Actually, maybe I should close my eyes. I'm gonna turn my head and close my eyes, and then I'm just gonna pick one lucky winner. Let's see who won. Debbie! Debbie, you are the lucky winner of the $200 gift card giveaway to your favorite home decor store. I'm so excited for you. If you are watching this video, Debbie, please go ahead and comment down below and let me know that you are interested in this $200 gift card giveaway, and I will comment on your comment and give you my email address so that you can email me, and I will be sending you an e-gift card by the end of this week. So, all right, so I'm so excited. And if you're not sure of which stores were offered for the giveaway, please go to my last video. It was the last video. It was home decorating video episode 11. So please go to that video, choose one of the 6 stores that you would like for me to send you an e-gift card from. So I'm so excited for you. Congratulations. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for chiming in, commenting, liking. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I just appreciate the support to my channel. It means so much. So this is, me saying thank you to you by giving you this e-gift card. And I just want to thank the rest of you all for commenting, subscribing to my channel, and just joining in, engaging. It means so much to me that you're part of my channel and that you're watching my videos. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you all have any questions or anything, please leave those questions or comments down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell, because when you click the notification bell, that immediately lets you know as soon as I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you all on Wednesday as I post a new video on Wednesday. Bye.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know.